So Patrick with Zeus Power Supply. I'm here with, what's your name?
Justin Brown.
Justin Brown with CoServ.
Jared Day.
And Jared with CoServ. Nice to meet you, Jared. So right here we have our new one-click hotline clamp design. So it's your normal wedge bolts or compression connector, whatever you're using, stirrup. How many turns does it typically take? What, like 10, 11, 12?
Yeah, at least.
Quite a bit. This one is all in one. So it just clips right onto the conductor like that. Just a quarter turn, and it's got its the factory rated torque connection. That's all it takes is just boom. So, I mean, if you could use this in competition, you'd probably be beating everybody, you know, save 10, 20 seconds on it, right?
It'd be nice to have out here.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do like that you can feel that it's closed when it's closed. Like you don't have to really guess how tight it is.
Right. Now, do you have a torque gauge on the stick to tell you how? You just kind of do it by feel?
We just kind of go by feel, get it, you know, we're pretty much wearing yourself out to get it tight.
Right.
But that's neat how it's open, it's open. If it's closed, it's closed.
It's closed.
You don't have to sit there and worry about loosening it up and then handing it to your lineman. We're running jumpers and, you know, on a pretty congested pole, I mean, you can have quite a few of those.
Right.
Depending on what you got going on.
Cool.
Enough to make you tired.
Yeah, I know.
For sure.
Yeah, appreciate the feedback on that.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, thank you. Right, Jared.
Yep.
Take care.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. Thanks.